This is the first part of the Conversational Chinese Lesson 1. This video is for absolute beginners. If you just listen and try to mimic what the Chinese speaker says, this video will help you get started speaking Chinese right away. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Imagine you are sitting in a tea house. A waitress comes over to greet you in Mandarin Chinese. Listen carefully to what she says.
你好，你好。
This word means hello. It literally means you good. The Chinese speaker is going to break it down into characters, starting from the last one. Repeat after her.
好，好。你。
How do you say hello in Mandarin?
你好。
Chinese spoken language uses tones. When you repeat what she says, try your best to make it sound exactly like what she says. So say again.
你好，你好。
Now, the verb drink sounds like this.
喝，喝。
How do you say drink in Mandarin?
喝，
Say it again.
喝。
Do you remember how to say hello?
你好。
If 你好 literally means you good, can you guess how to say you drink?
你喝，你喝。
So the word you is
你，你。
now the word I in Mandarin is
我，我。
repeat after her again.
我，我。
How do you refer to yourself in Mandarin?
我，我。
Say drink.
喝，
How do you say I drink?
我喝，我喝。
And you drink.
你喝。
Now let's put them side by side.
你喝，我喝。
Again.
你喝，我喝。
Some of you might be familiar with the word tea. It is
茶，茶。
how do you say drink tea?
喝茶。
How do you say I again?
我，
Then say I drink tea.
我喝茶。
Now say you drink tea.
你喝茶。
And say hello again.
你好。
Now imagine you walked into a tea house and say, hello, I drink tea.
你好，我喝茶。
This is the end of part 1. Thank you for listening. In the next part, we're going to turn a statement into a question. We will see you in the next video.